address some breaking news that's coming in on Prime 5. Supreme Court order on old vehicles in Delhi. Supreme Court has paused action on old car owners and has told the government that no coercive action will be taken in terms of owners of old Delhi vehicles in Delhi. Now, this is extremely significant in the wake of very coercive action that was taken just weeks back for all those who had their cars expiring that 10-year and 15-year window, depending on whether it was a diesel or a petrol car. Let's first play out this soundbite of Maninder Sirsa, who's the Delhi Environment Minister, and then we talk more on this.
मैं धन्यवाद करता हूं अपनी माननीय मुख्यमंत्री जी का, और मैं धन्यवाद करता हूं माननीय सुप्रीम कोर्ट का, जिन्होंने इस भावना को समझा कि उम्र के लिहाज से व्हीकल बैन नहीं होना चाहिए, बल्कि पोल्यूशन के लिहाज से होना चाहिए, और अभी इसके अंदर फौरी तौर पर यह राहत दी है। मुझे उम्मीद है आने वाले दिनों में हम अपना केस जस्टिफाई कर पाएंगे और दिल्ली को जहां पोल्यूशन से राहत देंगे, वहीं उनकी 10 साल और 15 साल की गाड़ियां जो उनको बहुत प्यारी थी, उसको भी बचाने में हम राहत दिलाने में कामयाब होंगे। मैं फिर से माननीय सुप्रीम कोर्ट का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद करता हूं।
All right, let's get a quick update on this from Ishika. Huge relief for a lot of owners of cars in Delhi.
Well, yes, certainly it comes as a big relief for those, in fact, car owners whose vehicles, in fact, were in the end of life category, because they had met, the Delhi government ministers as well, and they had continuously, through our channel had raised their concerns that, when you look at the cars, many a times it happens that they have not run so much of kilometers, they are well maintained, and then when this drive continues, the financial burden falls on the middle class. So that was a big concern that was raised by them, and we did see how the Environment Minister Manjinder Singh Sirsa, he wrote all of these concerns first to CAQM, and then the Delhi government also went to Supreme Court for the review of the vehicle ban. So certainly now the top court halting this entire drive of vehicle ban comes as a huge relief. The Delhi government says that they are in fact very positive that in the coming days they will be able to present their case positively, that the pollution levels for a car should not be measured on the on the basis of age, but rather the pollution that it emits. Over to you.
Absolutely, that's the most logical, rational way of addressing this, and it seems the government has been able to finally see reason there. I'm going to leave it there. Rishika, thanks much for giving us that update.